I'm making a gigantic Chelsea bun stuffed with curried cabbage and baharat butter. In this extra special bread is fried curried cabbage and it gets brushed with spicy baharat butter. If you know anything about me, you know I love a gigantic middle of the table thing. This bread promises to be the coolest, tastiest, least ordinary bread you've ever made. There's just something so provocative and primal about tearing into a massive bread with your bare hands instead of the predictable motion of hacking through it with a knife like a normie. Nothing against knives though, or normies. It's all over town how crazy I am about cabbage. I love it curried and served with isonga samanzi, so I decided to roll the two together here. I've made mine in the oven, but nothing is stopping you from doing it on hot coals the old-fashioned way. Curried cabbage is just one of those delicious things South Africans love to eat. If you have some cabbage left over, spoon it on top of the bread, fold it into softened butter, or have it next time with uputu.